We found this remote beach on satellite images last week, and me and my mate Con is here to explore the area. As you can see, this is as far as we can drive, so we're going to be proceeding on foot for about 4 kilometers on from this point on. Let's do this.
Here, over here. See?
Oh! Holy...
Don't go too much.
I'm not going to.
They're far.
Whoa!
Yeah.
This is awesome.
I'm gonna do my tent though.
Yeah. And then we go for a swim. Yeah. This trip is turning out perfectly.
It's good to have a little bit of danger.
It makes you appreciate the luxury.
Yeah. I cut this, not Michael.
Proud of you.
We got 5 hours to get some food. Fish.
Well, the seals know that they're going to die.
Well, they'll come up to a beach to sit to die. Normally, they know they're going to die.
Dude, this seal is like at least 200 kilos. This is a huge fat seal. Whatever happens to you, hope you rest in peace. You stuck or? Alright, squids. Come to daddy.
Go, Mikey.
Yes?
I think it was fishing on. Alright, it wouldn't be fun if we got one straight.
Yeah. Agreed.
I just feel like we should try everything, but like that's the point.
I'm definitely going for a swim after this.
We're here for practical talk. We can't just give up instantly. Like, I feel like we should try for like at least an hour and a half. God, we just want something, you know?
I mean, ocean, that's it. Come on. Surely we'll catch something. Nothing?
Alright, got one.
Finally!
Get some more. Come on,
At last! So a fisherman coming back with both of his hands full of fish. Today was a good day. What have we got there, Con?
Beef flatties. I've never had flathead tacos.
No? They're tasty, man.
Look at the sunset. Dude, you should keep your tent shut.
Six on up on it.
Is that camera on?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Yeah. We just heard Michael say there's not going to be any snakes. Has Michael told you guys about the snake that's 5 meters from our campsite?
What exactly? Yeah, there was a snake like 5 meters away from my tent. Well, I'm not worried.
You should be a little bit.
It's the risk I'm willing to take. You know?
I guess you got to embrace nature, eh? Beautiful.
Yes. And guess what? We caught them, Con.
I know, it's
We
insane.
caught them ourselves. Butthead, in goes the garlic.
Oh man, it smells so good.
Woohoo! This is the salsa verde that's gonna go with the fish tacos. There's coriander, tomatoes, red onions, and avocados. This could also be gluten-free, dairy-free, lactose-free, and pescatarian. I'm gonna bite into this. The fish is so smoky. The fish is so smoky, I love it.
I think the smoky was intentional, but sure, we'll take it.
So what I might do now is I'm just gonna finish up my taco and sit down and enjoy the fire, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow in the morning.
Honestly, I would never order fish tacos in a restaurant. No, but having them by the beach after just catching them,
Yeah, I'm
literally
catching them.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah. Thank you, Flathead. Thank you, Ocean. We've got oats, instant coffee, and sugar for breakfast today. So we finished packing everything up and just about to head out now. For me, this trip was amazing because I didn't know what to expect, but everything turned out so perfectly. And I'm so happy that I got to spend some time out in the bush with my mate Connor.
Stoked that we could catch some flatties. Took a few hours, but had my first ever fish taco. It was delicious, and yeah, super cool to explore a different part of Tassie.
Absolutely,
Let's do it again, man.
of course. I look forward to my next adventure, and I'll see you then.